So that's what happened to me, where I almost nearly busted my account, is because I allowed the market to come back against me um, too much, and it was way past the thresh of where I should have got out the trade already. And I think a lot of people get frustrated and they suffer from the um, same thing. You know, they don't know where to get out. They allow the trade to come back against them, thinking the market will they can make it back up, the market will turn back around. Trying to go long right here, back up to this area up here. Come on. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Future Trading with Mike, and today is the 7th, I believe. Yes, the 7th of April. It is Thursday, and once again, I'm looking at the Emini S&P 500, guys. That's the ES. That's the market I trade each and every day, and it's just the market I like to trade. But I want to start off by thanking those who have subscribed to the channel. I do this each morning. Thank you for subbing, guys. Thank you for taking the time to make sure that your post notifications are turned on. If you don't have them on, that's probably the reason why you're not getting the uploads or getting a notification when I upload. So please make sure to click on that little bell icon next to the subscribe button. Make sure all your post notifications are turned on so that when I post a video, that you are made privy to the uploads via alerts, however you have them set up to come to your devices. First time watching, thanks guys for tuning in this morning, however you found the channel. And go ahead and watch today's video. I have tons of other videos on the channel with content around trading the E-mini S&P 500 and how I trade it each day. And hopefully we can gain you as a loyal subscriber to the channel as well. Let's go ahead and jump into today's video. We'll take a look at the higher time frame, and we can even see on the higher time frame, the 60 range, we are chopping sideways, guys. Yesterday, price had a low down here at 44, 45 pretty much. And let me take a look here and see. Came down here and yeah, it hit this little area right here, area of demand sitting down here. Bounced off of it towards the close of the day, pushed up, made a little higher high here, pull back, and we're moving sideways right now. So, okay, so let's see what we can possibly set up to get into today. There was a short right here where I had this purple line at. I wasn't looking at I was looking at my charts, trying to get things set up, and then price retested that area. I did take a short right there. Let me see if I can show you. See how many points or ticks I picked up. How many ticks I picked up on that trade there, guys. Sorry about that. Today is the 7th, and just picking up 8 ticks on that trade. Took the trade here right from the tops up here at the rejection. So the market is right now at the VPOC. So we have to be careful about that area, guys, as well. So let's see. Okay, down here might be something down here. So I'll put this line right here. We'll pay attention here. We'll see what we got going on. We have to be careful. All right. Be careful, be careful. So price is coming back to this area right here where price bounced from, rejected, pushed up, and started making structure to the upside. So, yeah, let's see. Really need to be careful here. See what happens. Yeah. Price like it's trying to push higher, huh? Yeah, it's gonna. Okay, I'm late on this trade. Extremely late. Okay, just looking to scalp this area back up to the VPOT. Come on. Look at it bouncing. Okay, hit the first contract. Come on. Not good. Sorry to hit the area where I was looking to get out the trade at. So let me Do this. I'll find my way out the trade one way or the other. I should have got out, but it's okay. Price may come a little lower here. There we go. Come on. Oh, what happened here? I'm not sure what happened there, but all right, we got filled there. Um, Market kind of bouncing around real quick there. Let's see. So I'm just up covering that trade there, just 14 ticks. So just scalping along. We're around the VPOC, dangerous area to be trading at, and we'll just wait it out and see. Okay. So yeah, there was rejection up here. Price tapped into an area up here on the 12 range chart right here. So let's see. Rejected here, pull it down, then it retrace back. I went short up in this area up here at the top when price came back and tested this area. So, but be careful because we are in a wedge right now. Definitely in a wedge, moving sideways, right around the PLC for today. So, yeah. Um, let's see. Price is trying to. Ooh, ooh, yeah. Very careful. Maybe trying to push lower. Let's wait it out. Huh. Yeah, there's an area down here. Huh. Yeah, I'm long. Come on. Don't do that. Come on. All right. Ah, what am I doing? Got so many contracts on. Okay. Gracious. Just look at the trade back up to this area right here. Okay. So, just trying to get the trade and I was entering too many contracts to get out. Just picking up 10 ticks there. Scalping along 24 ticks now. All right. Of course, it's going to push up now. Maybe so. I'm not sure. It's moving sideways, so we have to be careful. Like I said, price is in this wedge. Um, hmm. Oh boy. Yeah, I don't like this price action right now. It's just chopping sideways, so I'm gonna hold off right now. Yeah, I'm not sure what the market's trying to. It's just chopping sideways, and I don't want to get caught up in this mess here around the VPOC. So I'm trying to trade it really the best way I know how to. Um, hmm, okay, go along. Come on, look at that bounce right off my dang on TP, my second contract. Ah, oh gracious. Come on, come on. All right, I'm taking out. Yeah, just like it's just too choppy. It's too close around the B pocket. I don't like the pushing and pulling, so I'm gonna take what I can get and scalp it. All right, let's see. Just up 30 ticks right now. Okay, scalping market away. Okay, even in this crazy nightmare of a range, sideways action can still scalp a little bit if you know what you're doing. Looking at what's going on here on your 12 range versus and your 4 range, which are micro swings here. So yep, it's all this little back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, push and pull type stuff. Um, yeah, just not liking that. Nope, not one bit. Hmm. Yeah, let's see, let's see. I don't know. Just gonna wait it off. I'm gonna be cautious about the trades I take today. Okay, yeah, the market just came down to this area right here, and kind of just waiting to see what price is gonna do. Um, yeah, I'm short. Um, yeah, yeah, I'm going short. Actually, come on. Ah, the market. One tick away, bounce from my profit target. Let's see. Come on. I'm just going for a point here, guys. This trade right here. Trying to get filled here on a point. We come down and hit that area there. It can bounce here. So I need to be careful here because I'm taking a trade right back into the lows. I think I'm gonna go ahead and just scalp this out. A few ticks here. Okay. Price can come right down to this area right here. All right, it's probably picking up 6 ticks on that trade. Um, let's see. Yeah, 6 ticks. Up 36 ticks right now. So I'm just gonna just scout this out and see what happens. Let's see. Price came down there. Um, yeah, so I'm just gonna hold off right now and wait to see what the market's gonna do. Yeah, there's a little scalp you could have taken there here, a little long. Price retrace back to this area again. Another little short, I mean, another little area to go long at. Didn't take that one. I'm just waiting this. I want price to get outside of this range that it's in. Um, I want to see it get outside of this crazy range, this mess that it's in right now. That we have a high sitting. So you have a high sitting up here at 97 and a low sitting down here at 50, 54. So the market is just in a big. It's in a wedge right now. Can't break to make any. Like it pushed up here, pulled back, pushed higher, then it swung back down to the downside here. So making a low right here. So yeah, we've been well, let's see. Trying to look at the last 2 days here. Yeah, you can see it. Look at it. I mean, basically the last 2 days we kind of just been moving sideways. I mean, we pushed out here and pulled back here and made a low here. Okay, then we turned back around, uh, took out this high right here. Okay, made a high here, and then since then we've been trading sideways. So here's your high right here. this push back to the upside. Okay, a low right here, but we have not pushed higher to make another to make any high or break this low right here. So we're kind of just trading sideways right now. So be careful trading in this type of situation. Even if you look at the higher time frame, the 60 range, you can see what it's doing here. Look at it. It's just chopping sideways, moving sideways, building volume in this area right here. Yeah. Let's see. Um, yeah, going along here. Trying to go along right here. Back up to this area up here. Come on. Let's go for a point here. There we go. Okay, got filled there. All right, so that brings my total up to 40, 44 ticks right now. Okay, so 44 ticks. Show you guys 44 ticks right now for today's session. Okay, I may try to get one more trade. We'll see how it plays out here. Just following price action, even a choppy side, it's always action ranging here. I'm paying attention at this point here to close attention to what's going on here on the full range as well, because market's so tight right now that I have to be mindful of all these little micro swings as well. So that's what I'm looking at. But price keeps coming back down into this area down here. All right, it's the area demand sitting down here, keeps coming back to it, and so it came back to it right here at 950, and then it's come back to it a few times here, rejecting off of it. So each time it comes to it, I look for the rejection. So that's what I'm doing. All right, so price has finally broke some structure to the upside here. Um, let's see what happens. Okay. Yeah. Um, let's see. Let's see. Back down here again. Huh. Yeah, we keep coming back down to this area down here, close to it. Okay, price it like he's trying to maybe break lower now. Not sure. We'll see. Let me take this area here, this line here away. We need to be. Let's see. Yeah, let's see. Hmm. Price kept coming down, testing this area right here. Um, yeah, we're tapping into another area of demand down here at the bottom. So let's see what happens. Right now, the market is coming down, testing today's lows for sure. We've already tested this area once at 950 this morning. So it's testing this area off the 60 range again. And uh, yeah, let's see what happens. Hmm. I'm not sure. Let's see. I'm down here, Texas area. Gonna look at my four range as well. All right. Maybe if we come back down, retrace back, see what happens here. I don't know if price is going to do that though. Mm. All right, I'm long. Yeah. This thing can retrace back though. It can definitely retrace back. There we go. Look at it. Does not. Okay, there it goes. I'm not gonna get much out of this trade. I'm gonna be honest. No, mess this trade here up. Not a good trade, guys. Man, break even on this trade here. Not the best of trades. I should have waited for the pullback. I mentioned it a minute ago. Mm. Mm. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and get out this one here. Yeah. Okay. All right. I had scaling another contract to kind of cover my trade there, and I was able to get out. Should have waited for the pullback. Just up 49 ticks. Had a little slippage there, so a little couple ticks lost there. 3 ticks right there, so I'm up 49 ticks now. So not going to complain. All right, a little long entry right here. Short little, I mean, a little long scalp right here. Price pulled back. Didn't take it. Um, the, here's was the this was your entry right here at 44.55. Price broke to the upside, pulled back. So I didn't get into that trade. I mean, I scaled it when I kind of tried to clear it when it came back to the high right here to kind of break even and get myself out of that trade I was in. I was buying the high up here above the high volume area, and I should have waited for the pullback. Price pushed up there, got out, and the pullback went for a little scalp long again. But be mindful because you had a little high right here. Price pause and stop at. Okay, let's see, let's see. Market can I hear bounce? Um, Off of this area I showed you on the 60 range as well as down here. So let's see what happens. Um, yeah. Okay. Yeah, I didn't take the trade. Um, okay. We'll wait. Wait and see. Wait and see. Could come back down here. Not sure if it will, but we'll see. Scalp along, guys. Let me scalp for this. Let me scalp this. Come on. Yeah, scalping. Back to this area right here. This trade here, little area right here of demand to the upside here. Price pushing up, pulling back, pushing higher. Price comes back to it. Okay. So when price comes back to it right here, okay, this on the 4 range right here, 62. All right, area demand. I look for price to make structure to the upside, push up, pull back, push higher, making a high here, pulling back, rejection right here, go long. Okay, so that's why I took that trade there for a quick little scalp. Okay, all right, I'll probably just pick up probably yeah 6 ticks right there. So what did I have? 49. So I'm up 55 ticks now. All right, yeah, not bad for a market that's kind of not doing. It's okay today. It's not too bad. It's the ES. All right, so here may be another opportunity to go long. I'm gonna scalp it real quick, guys. Um, all right, this thing is acting funny and weird. It doesn't want to go up. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I knew it would get. So I'm just picking up another 4. Let's see what we got. Did it come up to this area right here? Yep, just did. All right, 60, 5 ticks there, so I'm up to 66. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and this is gonna be it for me today, guys. I'm not gonna trade anymore. 60 ticks there. So, anyways, I want to talk about I guess a topic that probably a lot of people run into the same problem, and that's when you have a funded account, meaning whether it's money that you put into your own trading account, your brokerage account to trade with, or maybe you did one of the I don't know this prop firm um, evaluations and got funded or whatever the case is. But you know, years ago when I started trading, there wasn't. I'm not saying there wasn't prop these companies that now that would fund you an account if you pass these evaluation tests, but it just wasn't something that was more prevalent. It wasn't something that was actually highly talked about. But so most people on average or normally would just put money into their trading account, right? So you know, there came a time like probably like a lot of you are probably struggling with to where you just had the idea or notion that I'm gonna put money into my account, I'm gonna start trading, I'm gonna start making money. It all sounds good, right? Until you figure out that trading is a lot more difficult and harder than you think, right? Trading is probably one of the most um, stressful and difficult things you could probably ever do in life. I mean, because the market is always evolving. There's so many intricate things that go on behind the scenes that cause the market to kind of push and pull. And, you know, there's algos and, you know, market makers and things that are designed to stop you out. It's all about trying to get you to lose money versus make money. That's the key. That's the thing. That's the whole business behind trading. So you have to really, really be smart and understand and trade. Um, follow price action, understand market structure, understand how to trade accordingly, understand how to trade with the big boys in the game. So a lot of you may be come to a situation in your lives to where you maybe have blown your account or busted your account in some way or another, and just have given up. And maybe it was because you just didn't really know how to trade, and you just threw some money into an account and said, "Well, have nothing to lose. I'll try it and see what happens." And then you lose your money, and then most people do not ever go back to trading again. Um, I don't know. There's an old saying. There's a saying that a lot of traders say that um, only 10% of traders are successful, whatever the case is. And that could be true, because a lot of people just walk away from it because they never really spent the time to learn how to trade the correct way. And that's the most important thing to trading, because like even with me, I almost nearly busted my account many years back. But I was smart enough to allow myself to trade small lots, starting off just trading one contract. But my biggest thing that I had to overcome was it wasn't about um, being able to manage the money. The thing about it, me, was really knowing where to place my stop, whatever the case is. When I enter a trade, and that's the key to it, knowing before you get into a trade where you should be getting out if that trade comes back against you. And I've covered this topic many times. So that's what happened to me, where I almost nearly busted my accounts, because I allowed the market to come back against me um, too much, and it was way past the thresh of where I should have got out the trade already. And I think a lot of people get frustrated, and they suffer from the um, same thing. They don't know where to get out. They allow the trade to come back against them, thinking the market will they can make it back up, the market will turn back around, and by the time you know it, you've already blown your account. You're real quick. Depending on the market you're actually trading. I mean, it could be quicker than other markets. So especially if you're trading markets that have a higher tick value, you can lose your money real quick. So I trade the ES because, to me, it's all about risk to reward. And if you know how to trade it correctly, there's more reward than there's risk. I'm not saying it's not risk, but it's all about uh, risk comes with management. It comes with, that's what I call it, risk management. Being able to manage not only your money, but being able to manage the trades and know when to get in and get out. That's the thing about trading. And that's one piece that really was a spiraling point for me. Downturn was not really knowing where to place my stop loss at, and allowing to myself to incur to take on too much risk. So, that's the time. That was pretty much around the time when I had first started trading, the first 2 years, and eventually I figured out and tweaked some things, and figured out how to really do it the right way. I didn't go for the full gusto like most people do when they go trading. If they throw some money into an account, they start trading heavily, and then some people within a week's time have blown their account. So I didn't do it that way, guys. I was very frugal with the way I traded, and I didn't take on too much risk from the beginning. Maybe just one contract, one lot, but still, it was just all about, with me, my stop loss and knowing where to place it correctly, so I wouldn't, minimize my risk is what it really boiled down to. So hopefully that kind of gives you guys some kind of insight, a little bit of detail of things. Maybe you suffer the same type thing, not knowing where to put your stop loss at. But hopefully this helps someone out there. And that's going to be it for today's video, guys. So I'll see you guys in the next video tomorrow. It's Friday, the April the 8th, and it's going to wrap up the week here. So thank you. If you haven't subbed to the channel, hopefully we can get you over to the channel, and get you to go ahead and hit that red button, that subscribe button. So please take the time to go ahead and do so now. And make sure to click on that little bell icon as well. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned. Be safe in the markets. Till then, goodbye.